really do want to get a unit in there. It may be a little bit too close, but okay, at 29, below the market at 29, sell a unit. And if we're filled, you get a stop in above at 86.46. It's a bit of a ways away, but for this kind of a trade in the middle like this, I think it's probably we want to give it that much room. If we do get a decline here, at least initially. So great, we're filled. We're filled on the first unit, so the stop in up above at 86.46, and excuse me. Sorry about that, clearing my throat there. And we're starting to sell off. Oh, this is good. This is good. Oh, all the way down to 11. Okay, get another unit in. Sell another unit down at 86.10. At 86.10, sell a second unit. And if we're filled on that, bring your stop on down to, I don't know, 82, 83. Pardon me, 86.33, I think. Yeah, that's what I said, isn't it? So looks like we're going to go up there right now towards break even. Well, we've got a stop that's a bit wide on this because we should not get up to that area if we're going to go back down again. We could come up, and as we have been already today, overlapping the prior lows and also prior highs. There's been a lot of overlap, which is not a particularly good thing for what we're employing today, this style we're employing, but still we need to have enough room on that, and that's a bit wider than I would like to be from 29 up to 46 but on the first unit, but that's sometimes the way it has to be, and this is one of those circumstances. We may come down and we got our second stop. Great. Okay, we got 2 units in place. I want you to bring your stop on down to wow. Bring it on down to 11. Somewhere in that area. And make sure you get it popped up and get another stop in. Sell a third unit at 92. Down 92, sell 85.92, sell third unit. Oh, we really just bopped down there, didn't we? How about that? Okay, so bring your stop down to 15, and let's let it go and see what happens. We're going to give this a lot of room. We've got 3 units in place, and it looks like we're declining a bit further. We may get something of a bounce here, which is why we're giving it so much room. But our stop should be at 15. Is there's a few ticks in it. Tell you what. Bring the stop down a few more ticks. Bring it down to the 10 level, because that way at least we've got a little bit of profit on this to cover transaction costs and any kind of slippage we might get on a spike upward. So the question is whether or not there's any more to this or whether that's just done. We may be done, may get fished on the at the 86.10 area, but I don't know. We'll see. It may happen right now. It is congestive though at first. If we pop up here above here and blast through, it'll get us, but at least we'll have a small profit. And a small profit on 3 units is certainly better than a scratch and a lot better than a loss. So, and it starts to back off a little bit. But can we take out this low? Here we go. Looks like it. It looks like we're going to try to go lower. Slightly. There we go. There we go. Okay, we've dropped off some more now. Tiny little bit. I don't recall. Is 81? Is 81 a number? You know what? 81 is a prior. Or is that 83? Well, we're through it right now by just a hair. So okay, now I want you to bring that stop on down to make it 96. Bring your stop on down to the 96 area, right just above the 95 trade that we had. And let's see, bring it on down a little bit more. Bring it on down to 82. Bring your stop down to 85, 82. So we've got some good change in this trade now. Good, good. Looks like 35 ticks on 3 units. Now we could I think we could break wide open here again. Except it's coming up to where our stop is. And we are getting the 80 level as resistance, the 80 thereabouts level. Maybe we're a little bit too close on this. We gave it a lot of room in the beginning of the trade for play, but now that we've got some profit, we really do want to be protecting that. And based on the 65 or 66 low, that's 16 ticks of play, which is not quite as much play as we had earlier, but the chances of getting a spike up are much greater now. Especially if we spike down from here, if there's a fast break, then we'll know we've got some capitulation, and we'll probably need to get our stop very, very close to where the immediate resistance will be, because we'll just come up through it just like a rocket. This is the longest congestive patch that we've been in this trade, so sideways patches like this that are congestive lead me to think that we can lead me to think anything. Let's just watch what the market is doing. It's going to define what we need to do, so we don't need to think too much. That is a slightly lower low that's come up pretty quick. Yeah, I think we're probably going to get fished here, but that's okay. I don't know if we get above, get back up to the 90 area, the high 80s, but 82 is good enough on this trade. Love to be able to figure out how to get more out of trades, but how about that? We didn't quite make it. So we're alive for more if we break from here. If we go on down, take out this low, it ought to just we ought to find quite a lot of stops, because everybody who's bought down there is going to be puking, and we could spike quite a lot lower if we do go down. But we'll see. Maybe there are more orders. We don't know. And all right, looks like we're heading lower. Okay, bring your stop down. Bring your stop down to, if you can get it down to about 10 takes, down to 72. And because we came down, made a lower low, but immediately came off of it. So we met some size, as you can see also in the volume. We met an order there that decided, and this is small sell-off and size buy. We're getting more buying coming in here now too. Yeah, it's better for us to have a closer stop here. Like I said earlier, we're going to move it closer if we get a sell. It's not as fast and as sharp as I thought we would get, but nevertheless, it's better to. Yeah, we've sucked another 10 ticks out of this, which is great. From 82 down to 72. If you got your stop there, I hope. We'll probably get filled here, but this is turning into choppiness here. And as you can see, we're overlapping. We've come back up above those lows, and we are stopped. Okay, we're out. We're out at in the low 70s, 85.72, I suppose. Good job, 3-unit profit. Great job. The question becomes here is whether or not we can get above these highs we've just made. So there may be a long trade for us here setting up right now.